guys, welcome back. Not at the shop. My phone rang and my mother had called and had a dire emergency with her Crown Vic, or I'm sorry, Grand Marquis. She said the car was stuck in reverse, would not move from reverse. So I said, all right. I said, I'll be up there to check and see what's going on. So I got up here and she handed me the keys. So I says, the other key in the car? She says, no. She says, the keys are right here. So I realized right away what happened. The car's not stuck in reverse. As you can see here, the ignition switch is off. The key's out of it. And my indicator now is reading neutral. What happened is the cable broke for the indicator. Actually, the plastic bit here is what broke that holds it in, and the adjustment is basically out. So we don't have an issue with a shift or a column or anything like that. It's just a broken cable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to get the cluster out of it and get this new piece in. So I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride because I have nobody else to talk to right now. Not that I don't like talking to you guys, but you know what I mean. So I'll just set you guys up over here and try to see if, try to set you up over here while I work. And I took the panel down already, with a cover I should say. Now I gotta take off the, this bolster here, get it out of my way, and we'll get to it. So hopefully I don't get run over out here. That'd be bad. All right, get that out of our way. I mean, a 7mm. Actually, been a while since I had one of these apart. See how many bolts we could lose on Mom's car. Well, I guess all of them. Yeah, well, she don't need them. Just kidding, I got them. Don't worry. I'm just joking around. Pop this out. Pop this out. Because there are bolts that are hidden behind those covers for these things. That I do remember. It's all coming back to me now, guys. Worked on a lot of Fords. Can't remember much. makes it a little easier. Okay, so let's get these bolts out of it. Crap. Everything's broke here, man. I don't know why that's broke. Never actually had my hands in there before. Alright. That out of my way. And there's the culprit right here. That's the bad guy that broke. So let's see, is this right? Should be. That is correct. Okay. Just want to make sure, pop her out. There's two little tabs here. If I could grab them. There it is. 1 and 2. There's the troublemaker. Alright. Simple enough. Yes. New one in. Pop her in. Pop this crap back on. That. This crap back on like this. Hopefully I can fit this all back together. That's the goal. See how it goes. Should have one more. There it is. Not too many yoga doogas on these things, guys. You'll shatter them. So far so good. Now the trick is going to be to get this thing back in and get this thing snaked around. It's going to be kind of a pain, I think. I think it can go this way. Like I took it out. Just need to be careful not to break anything in the process. You don't want that. Alright, if my light would cooperate, I do not want to break this. Snake this guy through, if I can. Which I believe I can. I think I can. Yes, I know I can. Alright. Get in there, there we go. Now I can get the bolt out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys this, but oh boy, I dropped you. There's a bolt under here that I need to get out that holds holds that adjustment cable, that indicator cable rather, in place. Oh, whoops. That's off. Okay, let's try that again. That wasn't good. There's the piece. Not cool. So, that went easier than I anticipated, I guess. They give you a new bolt, which is nice. This is an original Ford part, by the way, guys. This is not any kind of Dorman, or not that Dorman's bad. I mean, I don't want to come off like I'm talking about Dorman. I would never do that. I'd never talk bad about a company like that. It offers so many amazing parts for us. I mean, okay. It's on. I know it's out of adjustment, just give me a minute. Turn the adjustment knob, like so. Struggling a little here with getting in this thing. My mother's got kinds of seat bolsters and everything else in this car. Let's see where we're at. Reverse, neutral, drive, low, low one. Okay. And I'll bring that over a little touch more. Let's try that. Reverse, neutral. One. And there you go. There you have it. All right. And that's that. Now I just got to put it together. Simple, right? Simple fix. Adjustment is on and correct, as maybe you can see right here. Maybe you can't. Let's see. Can you see that? Maybe. Right here? I don't know. Can you see? Hey, there we go. Can't see with the column in the way, right? There you go. Reverse, drive, 2, 1. I don't know if it's coming up on camera, off, whatever, but it is on. That's it. And that's that. So just put it back together. Trying to knock this out so my mother has a car tomorrow to drive. Ay, ay, ay. Put the emergency brake on so I don't roll away. Hope it works. I'm just kidding, guys. Of course it works. I don't think I'd leave my mother without an e-brake, do you? I mean, I don't know if the radio is going to work after all this, but she'll definitely have an e-brake. All right, so I'm going to button this up, guys. And that's going to be the end of that.